Top of the day to you all. Welcome once again to the Module 2 of Edu 314. In this module, we shall be talking about types of educational research. Type of educational research. Basically, all research involves the elements of observation, description, and analysis of what happens under certain circumstances. Practically, all studies fall under one or a combination of these types. The first one there is historical research. And from the name, history. That is here, this historical research describes what was. The process involves investigating, recording, analyzing, and interpreting the events of the past. Mark that word, interpreting the events of the past, for the purpose of discovering generalizations that are helpful in understanding the past and present and predict the future. That's the essence of historical research. You have to know the past. You now compare it with what is happening presently. Then you'll be able to predict the future. The second one is qualitative descriptive research. And what is that all about? This type of research uses non-qualitative methods to describe what is. It uses systematic procedures to discover non-quantifiable relationships between existing variables. You get the gist better in your lecture material. Then the third one is quantifiable descriptive research. This type of research uses quantitative method to describe what is, describing, recording, analyzing, and interpreting conditions that exist. Then the last one, that is experimental research. The purpose of experimental research is to tell what may be when certain variables are carefully controlled or manipulated. It focuses on variable relationships. Like the example I gave in Module 1, you trying to know the effectiveness of a teaching method over the other. It is experimental in nature. It is experimental because you have to carry out the teaching using the two different methods you are trying to compare. Assigning some students to a class whereby you will teach them using instructional material, and then assigning some other student to another class whereby you will teach them using the conventional lecture method. This is a typical example of an experimental research. This is all about I have for you on Module 2. You'll get the detail of all this in your lecture material. Do have a great day.